We learned last class, that is emphasis, we learned about it. That is nothing but importance. Next, whenever you are preparing some documentation, you might be writing this kind of numbering, this kind of star marks, right? How you can put it, this list. These lists are even HTML we are writing also, there is a ordered list, there is an unordered list. Ordered list means number is we are going to provide it. Unordered list means some star marks are going to provide it. How you can generate this kind of things very easily in our case. Very easy. Let us go and try to see it. We are learning a third one that is known as lists. In this list, we are trying to focus on now 3.1, which is known as ordered list. Ordered list is nothing but numbers. What are you going to provide? Numbers list. For example, let us try to do this. I am trying to write here number one. To be honest, to become as a data scientist, you need to know strong coding. We required what? Strong coding skills we required. That's what we are going for first Python. Second, we should require strong data analysis capabilities. Wherever data is available, we should be able to get that one. Third one, strong predictive algorithm modeling. That's where we go for a machine learning. And strong neural network capabilities. That's where we are going for deep learning. Strong NLP capabilities. That's where we are going for NLP. These 5 things are in order. We have to learn about it. Okay. Now, if I want this one to change into the markdown, here we have the markdown. Even we have the keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is from the keyboard, press escape. Then from the keyboard, press M. Then look here, what happened? It changed as a markdown. Suppose you are in the code cell. If you want to switch to the markdown, press escape, then M. That becomes markdown. Now execute it. Now you can observe here, we got here ordered list, I got it. In case, my bad, I written here 20. By mistake, I written what? 20. The order is by mistake I written 1, 20, 3, 4, 5. Still if I am executing it, you are getting 20 or you are getting 2. System has its own intelligence. It knows what's supposed to be in next to 1. Next to 1 or before to 3, what it will come, it has awareness. So this is called as ordered list, how we can generate the beautiful documentation. Now, if I want here unordered list, how I can do it? Let us say, let me put heading as unordered list. Nothing but bullet points. Nothing but what? Bullet points. Suppose I am writing here single star. Then we are writing here. It is first point. It is first point. Then it is second point. Like this I written, then I am trying to switch into the markdown. We switched it. Now we are able to see what is this? Star, we are able to see it. Within the ordered list, I want to write, let us say something unordered list, I want to write it. You can go and you can put the tab, press the tab, then type here star. It is a subpoint. It is a subpoint, something like this we written. We are able to see it is a subpoint. Within the subpoint, you want to write one more subpoint, you want to write it. You put here one more tab, then try to say it is a subpoint. For example, something like this I written. There is no limitations. This hierarchy will be continuous. Within this also, if you want to write here subpoints, you can go and you can write here it is a subpoint. It is a subpoint. Something like this, you can go and you can write it. So you understand here, ordered list and unordered list, 2 things are available. Ordered list is nothing but we are going to give the numbering. Unordered list is nothing but we are going to give the star marks, something like this. So this is how we can do in markdown documentation, we can generate it. Tomorrow I want to productionize my machine learning model. There are certain activities. Step 1 I have to do this one, step 2, step 3, step 4. some steps if we do, then only we can able to automate the process, right? That first you can do the documentation like this, you can do it. Okay, try to practice this one. And here we learn one shortcut also. What is the shortcut? How to switch from code to markdown? Escape M. Escape M. That's it. Now, okay, please look into it.